Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're taking a closer look at the Amazon Basics metal bed frame, a king-size option designed to provide sturdy support for your box spring and mattress. This durable steel frame features a 9-leg base with 3 rows of 3 legs and a center bar, ensuring added support and stability for a restful night's sleep. With its simple lock-together system, assembly is a breeze and requires no tools, making setup quick and easy. Measuring 79.5 inches long, 76 inches wide, and 7 inches high, this sleek black frame is designed to fit seamlessly into your bedroom. Boasting a weight capacity of up to 600 pounds, this bed frame is built to last and support you comfortably. Remember, a box spring and mattress are required and sold separately, so you can customize your sleeping experience to your liking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.